Sawyer's first electric train. Whoa! You're going full speed. You can go. You don't have to go that fast.
You have to go way fast.
Whoa! Way fast. This is our, I don't know what it is, our deluxe Thomas and Friends special electric train. Taking a rest now?
Yeah.
Okay. And the light's off, so you know it's safe.
Dad, time and go.
Okay, it's time to go. Woo woo! Whoa, you're going up to full speed right away almost. Pretty quick, huh? There you go. You see, you can turn them down.
You're taking away, Dad.
Okay, he's taking a rest.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're taking away. Time to go.
Time to go. I start him up again. There, you don't have to go full speed. There you go. Just leave him half speed. Oh, I guess he does have to go full speed. Whoa. Sawyer, what's he doing? Going way fast.
Taking away.